First maintenance diesel generator. Let's go. Enter the industrial park with the after-sales service. Arrive at the textile factory site of the industrial park. Hello. Now let me explain the first maintenance of Yuchai 1000 kW generator set. First maintenance time 80 to 100 hour. First, drain all the old engine oil. Oil port for waste oil. All waste oil needs to be drained. Turn the screw to open the waste oil. Put it in waste oil. Next step, replace the oil filter. Share to 8 filters. Loosen the filter. Remove the old filter. Remove the old filter. All the old filters have been removed. Prepare a new filter. Install a new filter. Completely replace the filter. Wipe up this. Next, fill in new oil. Oil filling port. Add oil. Add oil. Check whether the amount of new oil is appropriate. Observation oil rule between the lowest and highest. Normal to above the middle position. Put it in oil rule. Last, start up. Testing no problem. Testing no problem. Maintain after the first. Working once every 200 hours.